Welcome you all to today's class. Let us have some fun. How many of you enjoy learning maths? If you enjoy learning, just write EL in the comment section. Wow, maths is a fascinating subject, right? Let me tell you one thing. Math is a fantastic tool that can be used in your daily life and also in your future. Math is a skill to be developed. Do you think math is a fascinating subject? We can check some amazing facts about mathematics. There is an E in every odd number. For example, here ONE 1. There is an E here. Now if you take a 3, THREE, that is an odd number and there is a 3. If you take the next odd number, 5, there is an E. If you take 7, there is an E. So there is an E in every odd number. Amazing, right? Now let us see the second fact. 1000 is the only number from 0 to 1000 that has an A in it. If you take 1, there is no A. If you take 2, there is no A. If you take 999 till 999, there is no A. Now if you take 1000, there is an A in it. Now we come to the third fact. 4 is the only number that has the same number of letters as the number itself. You see how many letters are there in 4? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same as the number itself. If you take 1, there are 3 letters but the number is 1. Here in 3, there are 5 letters but the number is 3. Right. So, math is fascinating, right? Now let us discover that 9 is a magic number. You take any number, you can choose any number, 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit, any number, and then you multiply that number by 9. Now what you have to do is add all the digits in the answer and then you write the result in the chat box. If you get a 2 digit or 3 digit number, again you have to add the answer, and till you get a 1 digit, you have to add. You have to write a 1 digit answer. I will take the number, I'll show one example. I'll take the number 87. Now I multiply 87 by 9. Then I get 783. Now I add all the digits in the answer. 783, right? So 7 plus 8 plus 3 is 18. It is a 2 digit number. So again I add 1 and 8. So I get 9. Like this you have to type your answer in the chat box. Everyone is getting a 9, right? That is why 9 is a magic. Now you have to recall the 3 amazing facts that we learned. I just want to check your memory. I'll give you just 1 minute for that. Write your answer in the chat box. Also, you have to write the answers in order. The first fact, second and difficult to remember, right? Now, we will check. The first fact was, there is an E in every odd number. How can you connect this to a funny story? We can use some mnemonics. Mnemonics means it's some memory device. It's a tool used for memorizing the concepts. In mnemonics, for 1, we relate to 1. Because 1 sounds like 1, right? That is why in mnemonics we relate 1 to 1. Now, there is an E in every odd number. How can we connect that to a 1? We can imagine there is an elephant on the top of every odd number of 1s. You visualize this situation in your mind. Whenever you want to remember the concept 1, you have to relate it to a funny story or an emotional story of 1. So there is an E in every odd number. There is an elephant in every odd number of 1. Means there is an E in every odd number. There is no elephant in this even number of 1s. Okay? Now the second fact. 1000 is the only number from 0 to 1000 that has an A in it. 2 sounds like shoe, right? So what we can do is, we can make a story of a shoe. We can imagine numbers coming out of shoe. 1 came, 2 came, 3 came, etc., 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 999 came. But when 1000 came, there was an and on the top of that 1000. So 1000 is the only number from 0 to 1000 that has an and on it. Okay, now what is our fact? That is our story. And now what is our fact? 1000 is the only number from 0 to 1000 that has an A in it. Okay, now you imagine this situation, and then we can move on to the third fact. 3 means, sounds like tree, right? So we can connect 3 to a story of a tree. We can imagine 4 growing on tree, and 4 is the only number that is growing on tree. Remember this 4 number name as leaves and this digit 4 as a fruit. Okay, so 4 is the only number that has the same number of letters as the number itself. Now I give you 1 minute for recalling the 3 amazing facts that we learned just now. Very good. There is an E in every odd number. And then the second, shoe, right? 1000 is the only number from 0 to 1000 that has an A on it. Now the third is tree. What is tree? 3 sounds like tree. So 4 is the only number. We imagine 4 growing in tree, right? So 4 is the only number that has same number of letters as the number itself. So we were able to recall these facts so easily, right? What helped you in remembering the concepts? Because we connected it to a story. Then we had some funny situations there when we were able to visualize. Then creativity. Everything helped you to remember the concepts, right? Now you have a task. Write an article on mnemonics. I'll give you some reference websites. You can either go to these websites or you can just Google. In Google you can search. Okay? Thank you so much for attending this class. Take care and stay safe. Bye.